Welcome to Fen Tour. Today is Fen Tour Bomber Run. Heading to Lincolnshire, meeting up with some other guys and riding around some new and old RAF bases. Should be fun. Will it be wet? Wait and see. Who's going to turn up? Hopefully I've got at least one fan. Well, I have at least one fan, David. So, meeting him shortly, and then we'll be across the fens to Grantham, meet up with some other guys, fingers crossed. Someone will turn up, and I'm not Billy, no mates, or one mate. Billy and one mate. Catch you shortly, once I've met with David. Right, I think we're both being recorded, David. So,
good morning, everyone.
They may be listening, David, in the evening. It may be night time when they're watching the YouTube.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah. Good afternoon, good evening as well. So David is leading the way across the fens to Grantham. Look, Fenland. Welcome to Fenland.
The heart of England.
Yeah, the heart of something.
You live here.
I mean, people say, what's it like to live in the fens? Isn't it a bit flat? It's a bit, yeah, very flat, very dull. And in the winter, very muddy. So
the thing is, on a clear day, you can actually see the miles, so you can see scenery.
Oh, yeah.
If you go to bloody Yorkshire, there's usually a mountain in the way. You can't see anything to the next mountain a lot. Well, unless you're on top of it.
Well, you're quite right. You get to see for miles in the
Yes,
fens.
you do, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's a big benefit living here.
Oh, yeah. Except when the wind blows, and it blows the dust across here, you can't actually see anything. But there we go.
But you see, the biggest problem I have, David, is the mud, and it's those bloody farmers.
Yeah, mud, yeah. Especially back there, Martin, in the winter, that's a bit...
Yeah. It's no good for motorbikes, and it's all those bloody tractors carrying potatoes, you know.
Oh, that's when you want your CRF, then, you see.
I'm going to do a bit of an intro. This is the Fen Tour Bomber Run about to start. We've got Ian, we've got David, Jack, linked to me with Intercom. Hello, Jack.
Hello there.
Who's another hipster, watch his channel.
Welcome, thank you.
We've got Reg at the front on the Himalayan, and I'm hoping this is recording everything. So, if you stay behind me, Jack, and then
Wow, that's louder.
oh,
That is a lot louder than I was expecting. Hidden away behind that sign.
yeah.
Are you ready to roll? I'm staying behind you, great.
Yeah, it doesn't sound very loud with my earplugs in.
Yeah. It's really not what I was expecting when you started it. In the videos it sounds nice.
Yeah, it's this Remus can I've had put on. It crackles a bit more. I thought I'd do this sort of idea for a run and meet up just to see really how many people would be interested.
How many should I have behind me? 2?
You should have
Is that 3?
3.
I believe we are missing David.
Right, okay.
Triumph and a Royal Enfield. Oh, no, those are caught up.
David's got lots of lights.
Yeah, we got
I'll go slowly.
back. Okay.
So everyone's still behind me, not that you can see the viewers because... Which way?
Oh yeah, they're all still here.
Right, that way. I need to set up a rear camera, but so we're going to stop up here at RAF Coningsby for a brief break. It's a shame everyone didn't have a car day because we could have everyone nattering to record the lot. It'd be quite fun. So the Battle of Britain Memorial flights here based here, so that's the Lancaster, the only last flying Lancaster in the world, and Spitfire and a Hurricane. So they'll be somewhere hiding in one of those. There's a sign there to visit it. Probably in this hangar here, I would think. There should be a plane spotters area up here, which we'll pull into and have a 5-minute break.
Trying to see if I can spot anything exciting. Quite empty.
Yeah, it looks quite quiet, doesn't it? Mind the potholes.
Yeah, lots of it off-roading.
Yeah, it's a plane spotter area. Oh, yeah, stand up, look. So do. Oh! We made it. RAF Coningsby. Good. Right, I'm recording. Oh, Dave is doing some off-road.
Yeah.
Well, I think I might have to do the same. Ha! Looks a bit stodgy though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Am I going to fall off?
Oh!
Oh no, I survived.
Go ahead.
So Lancaster's hidden in one of those hangars there somewhere.
See. And do you know what the open sort of shelters are like? What are they for?
The hangars? Oh, the open shelters?
Yeah.
I don't honestly know. Barbecues? RAF barbecue evening. Oh look! There's a Spitfire parked outside there, but... Oh wow. I think we have to pull over here. We'll have to have a little... Yeah, let's have a little stop here, I think. They're about this foot. I'm just going to take a quick look. Fantastic, isn't it? Because they weren't out when we came, so it's 2 Spitfires. What's in the distance there? Was that a Hurricane we could see as well? Fantastic. Yeah, fantastic. I'm going to get the phone and take a snap. Photo time. Come on, take a photo. Right, that'll do. Should we carry on?
Yep.
Carry on?
Yep. Very nice.
We could sit there all day waiting for those to...
Saw a glimpse of it.
Yes, we're coming up to RAF Stenigot, but we cannot see the tower because of the big edge. No one has got lost. Ah, there it is. A glimpse. And we're quite lucky at the moment. The weather's staying good. Sun's out briefly. No wet stuff, which is a miracle. So there would have been 4 of these towers. There's only the one left.
You're saying they're a square?
Sorry?
Were they as a square?
No, they were in a line, I think.
Okay.
There were also dishes here that were used for the Cold War, tropospheric scatter dishes, which were used for the Cold War NATO secret communication. And there's one left. Most of them being scrapped, but there is one left. Right, we'll pull over here. We'll park in the road. Careful of the gravel. So don't use your front brake, in other words. Good for you as well.
Many years ago I got my first car Port Capri, I kept my foot to the floor. I took Kate out for a ride. I guess I was running in overdrive. All roads lead to Lincoln. Just follow my heart. All roads lead to Lincoln. I want you to know I miss you so. Lincoln, Nebraska and Ontario too. Even a car named after you. Only one Lincoln you need to know. The one with the cathedral on top of a hill. All roads lead to Lincoln. Just follow my heart.
Just had a brilliant ride across the Lincolnshire Wolds, past lots of RAF bases. RAF Hemswell Cliff. And we've just had a super lunch at the Fawn Cafe in one of the old RAF buildings. Quite a few cafes here and antique centres. So here's our lineup of the crew. This is Jack.
Hello there.
And Jack's got his own YouTube channel if you want to watch it.
Another hipster.
Another
Subscribe.
hipster. Subscribe. Watch his channel, it's really good.
Thank you very much.
Lots of
Pay you later.
pay me later, yeah. This is David, he's the grand tourer of the group on his RT.
I don't have a YouTube channel.
He doesn't have a YouTube channel, just watches it, which is more sensible. Reg with his
From Sussex.
lovely Himalayan. You've done 3,000 miles in 3 months.
Yes.
Yeah, racking them up. Ian with his lovely Triumph.
Lovely Track Bonneville. Yep.
There we are.
And a YouTube channel.
And oh yes,
Dirty Scoundrels.
Dirty Scoundrels, and the music is awesome.
Thank you very much.
So there you go, 2 YouTubers, oh 3, me as well, and people who watch it. So we're splitting up now. 3 of us are heading to Guy Martin's pub, so we're going to carry on our way and we'll catch up later. Right, the Marrowbone and Cleaver public house. Very good. I'm doing a video now. That was a good point. Most enjoyable. Just as
I used to take my girls anywhere. I'd say, because it's a free house, you don't have to pay, and they got so sick of the joke.
oh no, yeah, is it?
We ought to stop here, Lily. There's free range eggs
Yeah.
for free. You know, or free cash withdrawals, but they got so sick of the joke.
Brilliant.
Wouldn't it be lovely, Martin? Free cash withdrawal with
Yeah. Is it going to work? Oh, videoing. Here we go. Well, David, I did promise rain, didn't I? Look at that. That's proper Lincolnshire Fen Tour weather. Lovely. Cool, that's hammering her down. Hope bridge is okay.
it looks a little bit brighter.
It does. Oh, I can really feel that on my arms. That's proper chunks, that is. Chunks of rain. I can hear it on your helmet.
Yeah.
I can hear it hitting your helmet really clearly.
But they're big spots starting.
They are.
I think they're bigger spots here than where you are.
I think there's more rain over your bike than mine.
Oh, a bit better.
Definitely. Oh, no, it's dry here now. That's amazing how localised it can be, isn't it? Oh, there's another RAF base there to our left. Forgot about that one.
What did you miss?
Yeah, what I missed. Let's see where those hay bales are. They're stacked up on the old runway. That's it, RAF Ludford.
Oh, yeah.
can't say it. That's Ford.
Yeah, but there's farmers like that, all that big wide expanse concrete there, the stone available.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll use them. I think here they'll be going for electricity.
Oh yeah, go to a... Is there a power station up here like there is at which...
There is a floor burner up here somewhere.
Yeah.
I did actually see the signs for it earlier on somewhere.
Oh, right. I'm recording now. So, Reg and David, wave. It was our last stop at Starbucks, Boston. End of the day, we're just heading back to Ely now. Reg is staying in Ely. David lives in Ely, like me. So, it's going to have been a good day, I think. A little MG electric car, charging away. Don't look too bad, does it? It's going, I think this GoPro's on the wonk, actually. Yeah, it's pointing right down. My camera angle would be rubbish. Must have knocked it earlier. Probably been like that all day, knowing me. I don't know. I just noticed it's at a funny angle. In the next 12 months, if we do this again next year, we could have 600 riders coming along.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll have 6 instead of 5. I think that's more like it. Or maybe just 2. Come out to the sports bike shop place. Oh, very good. When I bought this helmet, I was in there trying. Well, I went there to get not just a helmet, but get jeans, riding leathers jeans that is, and you know, there was no problem getting different sizes out. Very helpful.
I've never been in there, but I've bought quite a lot of stuff offline from them.
Yeah.
Changing stuff is never a problem.
Yeah, very good service. There we go. We've finished the bomber run, and it's just David, me and Reg left. Thanks, Reg, for coming along. Reg is staying the night in Ely, and he's going to choose some of these amazing restaurants. Which one, Reg?
Kentucky, I think.
Oh, you're very wise choice. Very wise choice.
I'll see you soon on the next trip.
Yeah, we'll sort some other trip.
Yeah.
Next summer we'll definitely have another one of these bomber runs, I reckon.
Yes.
Or, if David gets his way, the prison run. Yeah, there's Stratishall Prison. What was the other one we went past, David? The one near Oakham.
Yeah.
Ashwell Prison, was it? Ashwell Prison? Somewhere like that. We went past a few prisons the other day.
The other day, and we thought, well, we'll have an idea of doing a
Prison run. Yeah, it's good. Alright, Reg, you safe riding. All the best.
See you, Reg. Thank you. Have a good meal.
Thank you.
Yeah, cheers, Reg. Right, time to get home. Oh, another car, look. How does that get there?
Bloody hell, Martin.
How did that get there?
How on earth did that happen?
I mean, it must be just some idiot. I'm going to go through the town, so I'll see you.
Yeah, okay.
Are you at Costa? At Nero in the morning?
Yeah, if I'm not doing anything else,
I'll see you. I'll see you for coffee then, David.
Yeah, okay, got it.
Yeah. Have a good evening. Say hello to Wendy. Bye. 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 Thanks ever so much for watching Fen Tour today. Had a brilliant ride. And thank you to Reg, Jack, David of course, and Ian for joining me on the bomber run. Fantastic. Till next year, hopefully we can do it again, and better. Not that it could be better, because it was a fantastic day. So thanks for watching Fen Tour. We'll see you very soon. Keep subscribed, hit the thumbs up, bell and all those good things. We'll see you very soon. Ride safe, guys. Bye bye.